Cuts, injury, accidents, wound can happen at any time at home, in the office, or commercial places. That's why it's very important for us to have first aid box, so that at that moment you act as a first aider by providing immediate care before going to hospital if necessary. So some of the steps to take when there is cut, wound, or injury are: firstly, you wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water in order to prevent bacteria from entering the cut. You apply direct pressure on the wound with a gas pad. Gas pad is a form of pad that is used to absorb blood, liquid, or with a clean cloth. Firmly, you apply pressure firmly until bleeding stops or bleeding reduces. You clean the wound. I know you may be thinking, okay, you use spirit, iodine, but no. You gently place the wound under cool running water. If there is no cool running water, you can use saline to clean the wound in order to remove debris, dirt. You clean the skin around the cut with a mild soap and water. Do not let the soap to enter this cut because it will cause irritation. You avoid using spirits, hydrogen peroxide, iodine. They do work, the KGMs, yes, but they are too harsh for our open cuts. They damage healing tissue and delay recovery. You remove debris or dirt with a pair of forceps or tweezers that has been whipped with alcohol. You apply a thin layer of antibiotics ointment or petroleum gelling, that's your Vaseline, on the cuts in order to keep it moist, also to prevent infection. You cover the wound with a clean or stick bandage, or you dress the wound in order to prevent debris, bacteria from entering the wound. Note that not all cuts that you cover with bandage. There are some small wounds that does not need bandage or covering. By merely exposing it to air, it speeds up healing. So not all cuts that you cover with bandage. To visit the hospital is if after applying pressure on the cut or wound, bleeding did not stop. The cut is very deep, that you can see fats and muscle. If you have not taken tetanus injection, and if the cut or the wound is swelling, pain, bringing out pus, please visit a medical doctor. Remember, first aid saves life, provide immediate care, and speed up healing. So always stay calm and act wise. This is strictly for educational purpose. Ensure you like, share, and comment on my video. Thank you.